In this video, I'll show you how to style your text on Microsoft Word. It's simple and easy. So if you want to style your text, you Ctrl+A, put the cursor in your document. This is an 11-page file. So I Ctrl+A to select everything. And now I come to this side, home button here, and then I'm at the font. So now I choose the font, the font style, any of them I want. So we have bold here, we have italics, you can underline. And you press here for a lot of, options for the underline, you get it. So if you want to do it this way, you want to do it that, you want to do it that. A lot of them, if you want to stripe it, you can choose this to stripe everything. If you want the bold, you can choose them. Let me select the stripe, and you can make it italics too as well. So that's it on how you can change your font style on Microsoft Word. Very, very simple and easy. So now let me revert all these actions. Yes, and okay, I don't have it underlined, so that's it on how you can change your font style on Microsoft Word. It's very simple and easy. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on Microsoft Word, so you can check them out. That's it for the video. Peace.